Maths Grid. How the tool works. Follow this tutorial to learn how to use the tool. Set the difficulty. Choose from 3 levels of difficulty. Exercise types. Practice basic operations, as well as greater than and less than relations. Multi-user mode. Use the tool on a multi-touch device. Let's find out how to use the Maths Grid tool. Drag numbers and operations from the set at the bottom into the grid. Place the numbers in the circles and the operations in the squares. Place the elements of the set in their places by dragging them or clicking on them. If you fill in the grid correctly, a green check mark appears. Click on the arrow to start a new exercise. You can choose from 3 levels of difficulty. Click on this icon to select exercises involving multiplication and division. You can get a maximum of 3 wrong answers. These are marked with red dots. Click on this icon if you want to practice greater than or less than relations. Click on the Home icon to restart an exercise. Several users can do an exercise at the same time using a multi-touch device, for example, an interactive board. If you fill in the grid correctly, a green check mark appears. You can also insert the tool into mozaBook as interactive content. Visit our website for further information on mozaBook tools.